to jump. 700 metres for heat 6 today. As they're off now, it was a pretty straggly old start. First out though was One Cool Cat to lead City on a Hill. They're the first two, a length and a half away. Then third is Dan Road. Silver River's off and around them out 3 wide from Galileo back behind them. And the last is Soul Man to the home turn, 450 metres out. The pacemaker up against the rail is One Cool Cat. City on a Hill in the centre. And Silver River out 3 wide is going fast as well. Back behind them is Dan Road. Then we had Galileo and still the last is Soul Man inside the 200 metres. The leader is One Cool Cat. Silver River on the outside, between horses City on a Hill and Dan Road starting to pick up the bit down on the inside. Inside the 100, the leader, One Cool Cat. Silver River, Dan Road getting through on the inside, but down to the line, Pretty Green, but it'll win, One Cool Cat. Close second, Silver River and Dan Road. Back behind them in fourth, then was City on a Hill. Then came Galileo, who was a further 2 or 3 lengths behind that, and Soul Man was last throughout.